Everyone loved this tower carpet cleaner when it was unboxed. After 365 days of real use, the truth, it might be different. We put it on a test to clean this carpet and see if it still works as it was working when it was brand new, and if it's still a very good carpet cleaner. So let's start. You can see how dirty the water is, but I think it did a very good job. Still, it's very loud. It's very loud. Extremely loud. I think it's looking already cleaner, and it's quite dry. Of course, it's not gonna take all the water, but it's quite dry. I don't know what is that thing with foam under it, but it looks like it's still working okay. So this is the update after 365 days having this tower Aquajet. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.